Hey guys, today is January 3, 2016. It's a Saturday and I'm still wearing the same shirt, yeah, if you notice. So, I'm gonna go to the bank. I have to withdraw some money for my mom. The only reason why I'm keeping my bank account is because my mom needs it when someone sends her money. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Okay. I just finished withdrawing money and I'm just walking this hill. Usually I hate this hill, but now it feels much better for some reason. Yan. Ano?
Ano, go ka na?
Janice! Long time no see!
Video yan, no?
Yeah, it's a video.
Eh, delete mo yun, no? Wala.
Wala akong sinot kanina.
Videohan yan.
Ayun na, ayun, no? Hi guys! We're now at Jerry's Still SM North.
Kasi ka lang nag-vlog, no? Umalis na siya.
Naiya ako eh!
Hi, I'm literally sleeping because I drank too much tapioca with
Tapioca! Tapioca and simple sugar.
English only.
So we're now here. We just finished dinner. We were with one of our new friends, ha?
Gawin mo na special. 1 hour lang siya magsasalita in English.
Oh God! Jeez daw. Mahirap. 9 minutes lang ang capacity nito. Ayan. So where to next?
Where next?
Where next? Okay, so we're just gonna smoke first. I'll talk to you guys in a while.